In this video, we'll show you how to export a volunteers report for a particular event to Excel. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Reports and then Volunteers. Select the event by choosing the year from the Select Event menu and then click the required event. By default, the volunteers report is grouped by task name and only available to export to PDF, with all tasks collated together in task groups, if applicable. It is, however, possible to export to Excel, which will give you greater control and allow you to manipulate the data further off-platform. To export to Excel, you will need to change the grouping of the data to No Group and then click the Excel button. Then click on the download to see the exported spreadsheet. And that's it, you have now successfully exported a volunteers report to Excel. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.